Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their life but they really want to start doing what their heart really desires. So if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So today I wanted to talk about how our mind stops us from taking risks in our life, that why we stop ourselves from the new reality and from something new or something we really desire and want in our life. What I realized from my own mindset and experience and way of thinking and how I was, that for me receiving was never safe. So it always came with lot of people making me realize ki how much they are doing for me and see how much they are paying for my school or for how they are buying stuff for me. So I always thought that receiving is not unconditional and receiving is not good and I'm burdened. And I'm not good enough. I do not deserve to be taken care of. I do not deserve, people to love me. I do not deserve love and I do not deserve anything. I do not deserve receiving. And what I realized about receiving now, that receiving बहुत टाइप का होता है. Like you receive compliment, you receive help, you receive money, you receive information, you receive guidance, you receive support, you receive motivation, you receive direction, you receive emotional intimacy and people being there for you when you want them to be there for you or when you really need it. So जब आपको ये नहीं मिलता है तो what I know about it, because I am not expert. So what I have realized about it, that when you did not receive all these things without any conditions or without making you realize all the time that how much they are doing for them, they are doing for you, how much they are doing for you and how much they are sacrificing for you, and so many other things. So you start to believe that maybe receiving is not good, receiving is not for you, and if they are buying something for you, if they are अपना कोई टाइम निकाल के वो आपके साथ बैठ रहे हैं या फिर आपकी स्कूल की फीस दे रहे हैं या फिर आपके लिए कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, तो यू स्टार्ट टू फील, ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज़ सो मच, this is so much. And because they make you believe, they make you realize कि see how much I am doing for you, and you start to believe कि जो ब्रेड क्रम्स होते हैं ना, आपको वो भी बहुत बड़ा लगने लगता है. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि oh my god, I am receiving so much. मान लीजिए आपके स्कूल में फंक्शन है एंड उस फंक्शन में पेरेंट्स को आना ही है कि पेरेंट्स दे वांट टू बी देयर फॉर देयर किड्स, दे वांट टू encourage them, inspire them, be happy, be proud. They want to be there for them, even before time. But in spite of that, they make you believe, they make you realize कि your demand was wrong and उनके पास बहुत सारा काम है, वो नहीं आ सकते. एंड अगर उसके बाद भी वो 5 मिनट के लिए भी आ गए, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. उन्होंने अपना सारा काम छोड़ के, अपना सारा काम सेक्रीफाइस करके वो आपके फंक्शन में 5 मिनट के लिए आए हैं, जो कि बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है एंड यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट. एंड आपको जो बुरा फील हो रहा है कि वो वहाँ पे टाइम से पहले नहीं थे, जब आपको उनकी नीड थी उस टाइम पे नहीं थे, यू शुड नॉट फील दैट, यू शुड बी अशेम्ड ऑफ दैट कि आप ऐसे ब्लेम कर रहे हो उन्हें और आप उस 5 मिनट के लिए ग्रेटफुल नहीं हो. दे मेक यू बिलीव दैट यू आर नॉट वर्दी टू रिसीव उससे पहले जो आप चाहते थे. इमोशनल इंटीमेसी, आप encouragement चाहते थे, you wanted them to be there for you and be proud of you, happy for you and be excited that you are going to do it, and uh, just being around you, because the kid need their parents. बट स्टिल दे मेड यू बिलीव कि उनका 5 मिनट बहुत था आपके लिए, एंड यू शुड बी एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट। एंड आपको जो बुरा फील हो रहा है उस फीलिंग को, दे शेम्ड इट, कि आपको गलत फील हो रहा है, आपको ऐसा फील नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर आप ऐसा फील कर रहे हो तो आप उन्हें प्यार नहीं करते हो, आप वो जो आपके लिए कर रहे हैं आप उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो। देन यू स्टार्ट टू इवन सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस, कि मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग, मे बी दे डिड सो मच फॉर मी, मे बी आई शुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर ब्रेड क्रम्स, मे बी आई ओनली डिजर्व दिस, बट स्टिल यू फील बैड जब when you look around and parents of other kids, they are there even before time, the way you wanted your parents to be there, their parents are there before time, and they are doing exactly the same thing which you wanted them, you wanted your parents to do for you. But then you start to even suppress your anger, your pain, your sadness, your grief. You think कि you will not be loved, you will not be accepted if you express those emotions. You start to feel unsafe, you start to feel not heard, you start to feel not seen, you start to feel not understood for your emotions that you are feeling, the grief, the sadness, the loneliness that you are feeling, disappointment and anger that you are feeling. You start to shame all those feelings, you start to be ashamed of those feelings, and you start to feel scared कि if you will express those feelings, if you will allow yourself to feel those emotions, then you will be rejected, you will not be loved, you are not strong enough, not understanding enough, not good enough to be loved. So the so what I realized about myself, that maybe like that, not maybe, maybe not maybe again, maybe I started to also stop allowing myself to feel those negative emotions, because I used to feel extreme jealous. मैं जब बहुत jealousy होती थी, for everything which I wanted, I used to feel extremely jealous कि I'm feeling jealous that their parents are there, I'm feeling jealous that they are having this, they are having that, and they have everything that I want. And then I start to suppress my jealousy as well, because I used to feel that if I will be jealous, then I'm not a good person. If I'll allow myself to feel jealous and sad and upset and bad, then I'm not a good person. जबकि now as an adult I should not be stuck. अगर मुझे जेलिसी हो रही है, जब तक मैं जेलिसी को अलाउ नहीं करती हूँ फील करने को, तब तक मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा कि वो जेलिसी कहाँ से आ रही है। अगर मैं उसे सप्रेस करती जाऊँगी और अपने माइंड में ये फियर रखूँगी कि अगर मैंने किसी को एक्सप्रेस किया मेरी जेलिसी, देन दैट पर्सन विल स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू मी, that person will leave me, that person will think how bad of a person I am, that person will not want to be with me. All these fears started to come up because your negative emotions were shamed, and you felt fear कि अगर आपने वो सब फील किया, then you will be rejected, you will not be loved, accepted and understood. So for a very long time I used to suppress my negative emotions, because I used to feel jealous, I used to feel sad, I used to feel upset, I used to feel so many negative emotions, and then I used to tell myself that how bad I am, that I am feeling all these things, but I never understood my inner child. Imagine कि आपके पास एक छोटा सा बच्चा आया है और वो आपको बोल रहा है कि the small kid is expressing his negative emotions like shame and guilt and sadness and whatever he's feeling. Rather than accepting it, hearing him out, understanding him, and making him feel comfortable, seen and heard, आप उसे डिसमिस कर रहे हो, आप उसे बोल रहे हो कि ये सब फील ही नहीं करना चाहिए, यू आर सो बैड, यू आर नॉट वर्दी ऑफ लव, आई विल नॉट लव यू इफ़ यू विल फील ऑल दीज थिंग्स, यू आर नॉट अ गुड गर्ल और अ बॉय if you have all these feelings and emotions. You know, feeling all these things is a bad thing, and you are not worthy enough to be loved if you feel all these things, and you are not accepting it, and you are not recognizing it, and you are not, acknowledging it and telling him and helping him to make him understand कि कहाँ से आया है and उन्हें क्यों फील हो रहा है, एंड इसके ऊपर वर्क कैसे कर सकते हैं, एंड यू आर जस्ट डिसमिसिंग इट कि ऐसा फील ही नहीं करना चाहिए, हाउ दैट स्मॉल किड विल फील. Sorry. So I started to see myself. I saw this post on my Instagram, and it really blew my mind because I started to ask myself, oh my god, every time I felt jealous and sad and all the negative emotions, I always used to dismiss them. I always used to tell myself that I'm not a good person if I feel them. I always used to tell myself that okay, I'm feeling all these things, then I'm not worthy to be loved. I should not feel this. But if I'll not allow myself to feel all those negative emotions, how am I gonna work on myself, and how am I gonna acknowledge कि ये चीज़ कहाँ से आ रही है, ऐसा कौन सा लैक है मेरे अंदर, ऐसा कौन सा इंसिडेंस है जिसकी वजह से मेरे अंदर वो चीज़ है. So even when I'm talking right now, I'm able to understand it more better that जब भी कोई sadness I feel, कोई grief I feel, the jealousy I feel, the anger I feel, I always used to try to distract myself by like binging a show on a Netflix, by eating, by going somewhere out. Because for me, feeling that was extremely uncomfortable, because I used to feel scared. I used to feel, okay, I'm feeling it, maybe then I'm not worthy to be loved. So I totally blocked myself from allowing myself to feel all the negativity, and then I also blocked myself from receiving, because I asked myself that in which ways I'm blocking myself from receiving all the love and abundance which is there in the universe. Because somewhere as a child I learned that receiving is not safe. Relying on people is a burden. I'm a burden. I'm too much. My demands, needs, and wants are too much, and it's shameful and it's not good. And I'm weak and I'm not good enough if I rely on people. If I have demands, if I have needs, if I have wants, if I want help, if I want to express my true self that yes, I don't like this, I don't want this, I don't know how to do this, I felt rejected for that. So somewhere I formed this belief that receiving is not safe. If I receive something, I'm not a good person. It is totally shameful if I receive it, and people are gonna leave me if I ask for help, and and they will think that I'm too much, and they will think that I'm too needy, I'm too greedy. If I receive help, they will think that I'm greedy, that I'm being too much, and I should not appreciate myself, because appreciating myself is like मैं अपने बारे में flaunt कर रही हूँ, which is not good. I should dim myself. So I totally blocked myself from receiving, and I started to feel this deep shame every time I wanted help. And I never used to ask for it, because I used to think, yeah, I need to do it all alone. That I'm alone, that I cannot depend or rely on anyone. that it is not good, it is shameful, it is greedy, and you are not a strong person, independent person, if you allow yourself to receive help. बिकॉज इंडिपेंडेंस को मैंने पता है कैसे लिया हुआ था कि डूइंग एवरी थिंग बाय माई सेल्फ, मैनेजिंग एवरी थिंग बाय माई सेल्फ, नॉट अलाउिंग एनी बडी टू हेल्प, not allowing anybody to be there for me, that what independence means. But in this process I blocked myself from receiving everything. How am I independent? Because I'm trapped in my mind all the time. I'm not allowing myself to receive love, gifts, help, anything that I deserve and worthy of. So, today I wanted to talk about this topic because in your life, at some point, you start to feel exhausted. You start to feel ki, why do I feel so drained in each and every relationships that I have in my life right now? Why do I feel that I am constantly giving and giving and giving so much and I'm not receiving equally in return? Because somewhere deep down you do not allow yourself to receive. You do not allow yourself to attract those type of people who really will be there for you when you need them. And in your mind, need and want is a bad thing. The moment you just feel it, just say need, want. Do you feel good? Whatever you feel, just allow yourself to feel it. What emotions are coming up? What you start to feel जब आप need बोलते हो, जब आप want बोलते हो, what do you feel? Do you feel कि resist करना है? It is bad. Greedy जैसा मुझे feel हो रहा है, मुझे weak feel हो रहा है, मुझे अच्छा feel नहीं हो रहा. I should not say all these words or use all these words. Or do you feel good? These words are just words, not bad. We all have needs and wants. There is nothing bad. So I just realized because uh, in my relationships, I also started to feel drained, and I started to ask myself ki what it is in me, and from which wounded part, from which wound I am constantly attracting these type of people in my life who are never there for me. Every time I want them, I need them to be there for me, they are never there for me. What limiting belief I have about myself from receiving love and support and everything that I want. So I realized that somewhere I started to believe that I need to do everything alone. I need to be there for myself all alone, and I should not express my emotions to anyone. Neither I should expect anyone to be there for me when I'm feeling them, when I'm going through any tough phase of my life. I should not expect anybody to help me or understand me, and every type of support that one deserves. So I started to break it down then. Then I started to go back to my childhood and I started to see in which forms I was not understood and helped, and what I used to do all alone. And how I used to manage everything alone, and how I never allowed, and when I stopped allowing people to, love me back and accept me, understand me, appreciate me, and help me. So I started to understand that okay, it is coming from here and I can heal it, because you know that I'm not expert on it. I have not done any course. I have not done anything. I'm just talking from my own life experience, and I'm just sharing so that anyone who's out there on a same journey can get the help. And working with therapist always helps, okay, because I'm not expert on that. uh, so in all these shapes and forms, I realized that okay, I started to stop myself from receiving all these things and started to tell myself that I need to do all these things for myself. And it is so good. I used to feel extremely proud कि मैं ये सारी चीज़ें अपने लिए खुद कर रही हूँ, मैं किसी को हेल्प भी नहीं करने दे रही हूँ, मैं किसी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी नहीं करने दे रही हूँ. आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर एवरी वन. I'm always helping them, doing things for them, complimenting them, because deep down, somewhere I feel unsafe if I don't do all these things for people. I feel ki I'm not good enough. I need to do all these things for everyone in order for them to be in my life, in order for them to feel okay, I am important to be in their life. And if I'll not create all these needs and bonds, then what else do I have in me that people will choose me? So totally stopped myself from receiving. And even if you are going through, like, with any phase in your life, even if you are feeling sad and even if you are feeling any negative emotion, I used to not give time to myself. I used to think ki, I need to be always say yes to everyone. I need to be always there for everyone. If I'm not replying to this text, to this message right now, if I'm not responding to this call, even if I'm grieving to this call right now, if I'm not doing this right now, if I'm not doing that right now, then they are gonna leave me. They will not be there for me. And I totally used to dismiss myself ki just not be there for yourself, be there for everyone. And it was coming from the place of fear of people leaving me, fear of people thinking ki she is not doing this, she is not good enough now. So rather than thinking ki Priyanka, you deserve to have time for yourself, and people who really love you will always be there for you, they will understand you. And if in this process few people leaves you, they were never meant for you. But your mind stops you. Your mind stops you. And if you are an anxious person, you will know your mind stops you. You feel fear, you feel scared, your mind starts to tell you ki don't do this, just be there, because mind is trying to protect you from feeling the same pain you felt. Okay, so trust me, your mind is just trying to protect you. Tell your mind, even if this person leaves me, even if I receive all the gifts and blessings, I'm still a good person because I deserve it. And even if this person leaves me, I will always have those people who really love me, and I will attract those people who will love me. No more I am available for this fear. This fear has served its purpose, and it is okay to let people go. I do not need to hold on to people so tightly that they anyway slips. So not anyway slips, they are anyway going to slip away. So just tell your mind, observe yourself ki what you are feeling. Don't resist yourself from feeling any shame and guilt which is coming up. Just allow yourself to feel, okay? And then tell yourself ki this is not my reality anymore. Even if these people leaves me, because it is just a limiting belief that you are holding on to, because your mind feels safe with this limiting belief. Like, I started to explore new places, and how my mind will stop me from exploring new places because इसमें रिस्क है कि मुझे वो पसंद आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता है, डिज़ास्ट्रस भी हो सकता है, अच्छा भी हो सकता है, कि मे बी आई विल स्टार्ट टू सेलेक्ट दोज प्लेसेस विच आर नॉट गुड। एंड जब मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगी तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, तो फिर मुझे क्या लगेगा, अब तो मेरे पास एग्जाम्पल भी है कि सी आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू प्लेसेस बट दीज प्लेसेस आर नॉट गुड। So that's how my mind is stopping me from the change, from taking risk, from stepping into the unknown. कि this is unsafe. बस उसी प्लेस पे जाओ जहाँ पे तुम रोज जाती हो बिकॉज यू नो अबाउट देम एंड द पीपल हु आर देयर हु कम्स देयर, वहाँ पे एटमोसफेयर कैसा है, एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है, यू नो अबाउट इट, गो देयर ओनली। एंड कहीं और एक्सप्लोर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज वो ख़राब ही होता है हमेशा। It's just your mind trying to stop you. Don't let your mind stop you from taking risk, from stepping into the unknown, from believing that you deserve more. Because you deserve more. You deserve all the blessings which are there in the universe. And every time you find yourself ki you are restricting yourself and stopping yourself from receiving even the thank you start noticing, you will start to notice कि जब लोग आपको थैंक यू बोलते हैं ना तो आप वो भी रिसीव नहीं करना चाहते हो। जब आपको लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हो ना तो आप सिर्फ थैंक यू बोल के उसे अपने पास नहीं आने देते हो। यू ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू रिस्पॉन्ड बैक, ओ यू आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड। So you are not receiving it. Receiving what I understood, if somebody is complimenting you, thank you for saying that. That's it. You don't have to say, oh, you also look good. You also look so pretty because you feel so scared. You feel so uncomfortable in your body to receive that compliment. तो जब कोई आपको कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ आके देगा तो आप वो कैसे रिसीव करोगे? आप वो ब्लॉक कर दोगे। आपको लगेगा कि यू आर नॉट वर्दी ऑफ रिसीविंग दैट। ओके, इवन इफ समबडी इज हगिंग यू and want to be there for you, and you feel so uncomfortable and so tight in your body ki oh my god, what is this happening, why this person is there for me, allow yourself to feel that discomfort and tell yourself in that moment, this is my new reality. And the reality where I used to keep myself alone, lonely, and not ask for help, lean on to people when I really need them, is no more my new reality. Receiving is actually, people who receive are the people who believes in themselves, who feels they are worthy of receiving. It's not a shameful thing. This is what I understood. People who allow themselves to receive, they love themselves deeply. They respect and honor their needs and wants deeply. And they believe that they are worthy of receiving. And they believe that they will always receive everything they want when they really need and want. And they do not hesitate, do not shy, and do not feel bad when they are asking for help, when they are asking for anything that they want. In that case, that's what I understood about receiving. And people who tell ki just don't ask anyone for help, don't receive anything, you don't need to, that's how you become strong, independent, and confident. Those are the people who are actually weak. And deep down, they are those people, they feel they are so unworthy of love and all the help and all the blessings which are there in the universe. So don't block yourself from receiving, because receiving is good. Receiving is a form of self-love. When you allow yourself to receive, it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. On this note, I'm going to stop my video here and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. And if you like my content, my YouTube channel, then do share with your friends and family, and do like and subscribe and comment down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.